The Celtic pantheon is home to a trio of supreme deities, each embodying the power and majesty of the natural world. Taranis, Esus, and Teutates are revered for their dominion over the elements, their roles in the cycles of life and death, and their deep connection to the lives of the Celtic people. Taranis, the god of thunder and sky, is a powerful deity often depicted with a wheel and thunderbolt. His association with the wheel is symbolic of his control over the cycles of time and the turning of the seasons. As the master of the sky, Taranis is linked to the movement of the stars and the celestial bodies, and his power is often invoked in rituals and ceremonies related to agriculture and fertility. In Roman interpretations, Taranis is associated with Jupiter, reflecting the parallels between the two pantheons. Esus, a mysterious god of vegetation and sacrifice, is often depicted as a woodcutter or a figure wielding a tree branch. His association with vegetation underscores his role in the cycles of life and death, where he is both a bringer of new growth and a harvester of the old. Esus is also linked to Mercury by Romans, reflecting the shared qualities of speed, cunning, and adaptability between the two deities. His enigmatic nature has led to various interpretations of his role in Celtic mythology. Teutates, the protector of the tribe and god of war, is often depicted as a fierce warrior or a leader in battle. His association with war reflects his role as a guardian of the tribe and a defender against external threats. As a god of war, Teutates is linked to Mars in Roman pantheon comparisons, highlighting the parallels between the two deities. His role as a protector underscores his importance in Celtic society, where he is revered for his strength, courage, and leadership. Together, Taranis, Esus, and Teutates form a triumvirate of supreme deities that embody the power and complexity of the Celtic pantheon. Their roles in the natural world, their connections to other deities, and their significance in Celtic mythology reflect the depth and richness of this ancient and mystical world.